If we had a nickel for every time one of our Blend customers asked us about Repack, we'd probably have a lot of nickels. We're very pleased to announce that today, that functionality you've all been waiting for is here. You now have the ability inside of NetSuite and Blend to take any member of the product family, including the bulk formulation, and define a new output. That could be taking a couple of totes you have in stock and turning them into pails in order to fulfill a sales order for your customer, or it could be simpler than that, where you receive your formula by the tanker truck, load a silo, and you want to have the option in Blend to create X totes, Y drums, and Z pails. Let's take a look. We'll start with opening up a new Blend Repack record where we'll be prompted to select our location and our product family. Reminder that in Blend, the product family is the name of the formulation. It can be floor cleaner, peppermint tea, face wash, or anything that has a recipe. We can have many different finished goods that call on that formula. Here, we'll select our chemical formula GA50 product family. A list will appear below showing every item in the product family. We can choose to select either our input first or our output first. Perhaps we want to take some of our bulk formula and make pails. By clicking the down arrow of the bulk formula, the user can view inventory detail for each of the lots and make the selection. Next, we'll be prompted to enter the quantity of the outputs. We can choose to repack the 341 pounds of bulk formula to pails, drums, totes, or a combination, and the tool will calculate for us the quantity of each finished good we can make. Jumping to the bottom of the page, the user can review the input and output before saving to create the repack work order. If we need 5 drums of formulation, we can select our drum size as the output and enter the required quantity. The tool will calculate the quantity of formulation needed to make 5 drums and then allow the user to select the input that makes the most sense. In this case, the quantity required for 5 drums is the exact quantity of a tote, which we currently have available. Clicking the drop-down arrow will bring inventory detail for our totes, displaying each of the lots, their inventory status, and quantity available. Selecting one tote as the input to meet the demand to make 5 drums will automatically carry the inventory details. In other words, we can take one lot of lot number November 20 and make 5 drums with the same lot number. The repack work order generated from saving the repack transaction is just like any other work order in NetSuite. The user can see the quantity of formulation required to meet the demand and include the required packaging as it's defined by the finished goods bill of material. We can initiate the build transaction from either the work order or the repack record. Clicking Build from the repack record, we can review one last time the inputs and outputs before clicking Submit. Once complete, the assembly build record can be accessed by clicking Transaction Details on the repack record. Whether you're looking to turn bulk formula into a variety of different finished goods, or one finished good into 5 smaller finished goods, whatever your repack needs are, Blend's newest SuiteApp will help to streamline the process and allow you to do what you couldn't do before directly inside of NetSuite. Visit SuiteApp.com or our website to learn more about Repack and book a live demonstration with one of our solution consultants today.